As Neetu ji to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank Neetu ji, of course, for inviting me here, and it's been a great pleasure for me to be a part today among all of you. Well, I'm an astrologer, a tarot card reader, a palmist, a numerologist, and a Vastu consultant. I started my journey in the spirituality from past 9 years. I did my graduation from Delhi University, from Sri Venkateshwara College. I did my mathematics honors, then I did my masters, then I also did my B.Ed also. Then the key driving force behind me towards the spiritual journey was to help people who are living in the troubled phase of life to live happy and a comfortable life. It directs us to think and concentrate on a third eye concentration. हम सबको angel numbers बोलती है, अपनी intuitive parts को strong करो and believe in your inner self. I'm sure each and every individual sitting over here, I'm sure all of you are very, sensitive. Sensitive regarding what? Emotions. आज हम क्यों sensitive होते हैं? सिर्फ एक ही चीज के लिए हर इंसान sensitive बनता है, अपने emotions को लेकर. आज हमारे इमोशंस क्यों वीक हो जाते हैं? मे बी हमारी थॉट्स एफ्लिक्टेड होती है, कहीं ना कहीं कोई रिलेशनशिप में डिसबैलेंस होता है. सो दैट मीन्स वी आर ऑल सेंसिटिव, एंड एट दैट टाइम वी थिंक ऑफ रनिंग फॉर ऑल दी अदर मोडालिटीज, लाइक वी थिंक ऑफ गोइंग टू एन एस्ट्रोलॉजर, कोई टैरो कार्ड रीडर को सोचता है, कोई न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट के पास जाने के लिए सोचता है. But at that time, these are the angels, which keep us reminding us at each and every point. Try to tune in within yourself. अपने अंदर से आंसर सीख करो. As you all might be sitting at times, आप लोग अपने मोबाइल फोन उठाते हो, ठीक है? And whenever you are going on some ways, you see the vehicles, with a number plate, and you see the numbers repeating in the triplicity. आपने मोबाइल उठाया, आपने टाइम देखा 1:11, 2:22, 222, 333, 444. How many of you among here has ever observed these numbers on the mobile screen? And have you ever thought कि मैं ऐसे triplicity में मुझे क्यों numbers दिख रहे हैं? Have you ever thought like that, ma'am? But have you experienced that? Yes. So this is the time, that universe is sending us the messages. Try to tune in towards your intuitive powers. That is actually a very positive message which the angels, they are trying to give to you. So in a brief, I'll just take down few numbers. I'll start with the number 111. Whenever you see the number 111, what does it say? It says, wake up. It's the time for you. Have that leadership qualities in yourself and move ahead. Be strong-headed. At that time, you might be facing a challenge in your life. You might be thinking, I have to start with my new venture. Whether should I start with that? Or whether should I seek somebody's support, or I need someone as a partner in that. So at that time, angels are constantly telling you, no, you have those leadership qualities. Get up for yourself and move ahead. And these are the very positive numbers whenever we see in our daily life. Then we walk on to the number 222. 222, it says we are not working on the practicality of where we should work on. So 222 is saying, just break that blockage and see the practicality of the life. Then comes is the number 333. 333 is actually a very wonderful number, as I'm sure so many eminent personalities of you sitting from the same background are sitting over here, so you all might be aware. That is the number of Guru, and Guru is of a great blessing for each one of us. So Guru numbers, whenever we see 333, it says expansion. It says if you are trying to your work. Then comes is the 444. 444, as it is a bit, at times it says it's a Rahu number, so everybody is, afraid of that. No, but it's not like that. Angels, they never make us afraid. It always says 444. Feel protected. You are in the safe hands. You are always being surrounded by the angels. Just sit, lay back, and let the life of the flow just move. Then comes the number 555. As our journey starts from 111 and it ends till 999. So 555 is the in-between number. We started our journey from 555 and in between some unexpected and unpleasant changes. But as I again said, it's a very positive signal. So again, the angels are again telling us, stay stable, don't take hasty decisions. Again, I'll just take an example from the working environment, right? Working environment is like that. In a business, we are facing so many losses. For example, I'm just taking an example about it. We are facing lots and lots of losses in our business. And at that time, we are trying to invest more of amount in it. So if we see this number 555, that means angels are saying, don't take hasty decision. Wait, hold on, have stability in yourself and let the time pass by. So 555 has always been an awakening call for each one of us. Then comes is the number 666. It says that's the level each and every individual wanna reach, the highest level of each and everybody's life. The life with full-on luxury, lavish lifestyle. But again, it is also saying stay grounded. Don't that lavish lifestyle and those materialistic gains be tried to form into some sort of an addiction. I'm sure you might all have got an idea what I basically means. 666 means today we are getting lots and lots of materialistic gains, like today's lavish lifestyle, going in pubs and everything, So make it out that to a certain extent, don't get addiction into bad things. So it basically emphasizes this. Then comes is the number 777. It's a very magical number. It's the number of spirituality. It says the magic is weaving around you. It is the time to change within yourself. It is the time for your spiritual growth. And maybe the changes are not foreseen externally, but internally it cleanses you. A very good example I would like to say in this, as you plan a, say, renovation of your home, right? While renovation of your home, though at times you not be changing your, exterior, you will be just working on the interior of your house. So what it helps us in? It helps in the cleansing process of our house from within, though the exterior remains the same. But जैसे घर की language भी say कि घर से सारा garbage कूड़ा वगैरह हमारा, it's all being cleared up like that. So it says like that. Now comes the 888. 888 is again a number of Shani, Saturn, and Saturn is the god who always gives according to our karmas. जो हमारी past deeds हैं, he always work on the karmas. So 888 says the financial and the prosperity, that is materialistic prosperity is on the way. It's on the cards, and for sure you will be rewarded for your past deeds. Now comes, as we started our journey from 111, now our journey comes at 999. 999 says we started off so many things, but there are so many things which have been still unfinished. So 999 helps us to finish up our projects, our pending, you can say the pending things which were on its way and which were being actually totally dragged out from a long period of time. So that is the time it will come to an end. And 999 has a lot of a power, as it's the number of Mars. It has a lot of masculine energy in it. And by the 999, as you might be aware, all the sportsmen, actors have been so much, they have gained from this number, from 999. And last but not the least is 000. Though you might be thinking 000, नाम के लिए it is शून्य, but शून्य का भी बहुत महत्व है हमारी जिंदगी में. जब हमने इस धरती पे जन्म लिया था, तो हम सभी शून्य ही आए थे, कुछ अपने साथ नहीं लेकर आए थे. और जिस दिन हम इस जहां से जाएंगे, तो हम भी सब मिट्टी में मिलकर शून्य होकर ही जाएंगे. So 000 is actually a number which gives rebirth. It is actually a rebirth. Rebirth means ending of the stuff or all the process of your life, and it is the time for the new beginning, starting up from the very first step. Though that is a very hardship time period, but if at present in your life you have been feeling some emotional disbalance, or maybe in your work process if your things are not working out and you see 000, so think that is a very positive thing. That means the angels are asking you to awaken yourself, to start from the footstep 1, and definitely they are always there to assist you. So whenever you see the angel numbers, these angel numbers always appear in triplicity. At times you all might be seeing number 1111, 11:11 भी हम देखते हैं. So that means जो हमारी 1 की intensity है, the one which I told you that for the 111, that means the intensity of 1 will be more intensified. Any questions anybody would like to ask?
How will
These things in your daily life, definitely whenever you will try to connect to your intuitive powers, definitely you will try to get these answers from the universe. Yeah. I have my brochures. I'll be distributing them.
अभी ब्रोशर मैडम दे देंगी. कभी भी किसी को देखिए सब कुछ याद तो नहीं हो सकता. डेफिनेटली ये तो एक फ्लेवर था. कभी भी हमें कुछ चाहिए होगा तो हम कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. हम तो डीएलएफ में ही आ रही हैं तो बार बार भी कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. राइट जी. बाकी नहीं.
हेलो, थैंक यू नीति जी, थैंक यू सो मच. एंड नवदृष्टि रैंक साहब पहले भी जुड़े हुए हैं और नेक्स्ट इवेंट के लिए भी जुड़ रहे हैं. नीति जी थैंक यू सो मच. और मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी आप अपने ब्रोशर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दें. और 2 o'clock तक नीति जी हमारे साथ हैं हॉल में, तो कोई भी क्वेरीज हो हम लोग डिस्कस कर सकते हैं बाद में. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए नीति जी के लिए.